Good morning, everyone. For those who don't know me, my name is Diego, and I study nanotechnology in England. Today, today I'm going to be talking about how is organic products. Approximately each year the production of organic products has been increasing around about 10% from from 2016, increasing 4.7%. We can see in the graph about the growth of the organic farm. Who is organic products? Healthy, ecology, and nutritive. Those are suppositions, right? So, because using organic pesticides, what does this mean? It has become more profit for companies than for farms. The production costs uh, is 5% more expensive. If the production zone is 47% more expensive. In the future, I don't think in the future the product of organic products. They are going to be 1000% natural through emulsion. We should be able to manufacture it with natural oil-based base and no longer use organic pesticides. In this journal, we see we can see um, and review articles, nano-based smart pesticide formulations, emerging opportunity for agriculture. Uh, the combination, the oil and water, uh, formation. This is combination formation of nanoemulsions. In the future, the nano pesticides uh, is today and future perspective. This is my reference. Thank you. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, guys.